Welcome to Dad's Diner. Today I'm going to be making Huevos Rancheros. Take a look at the ingredients. So for Huevos Rancheros, I've already thrown out some corn tortillas on my plate. I'm going to fry some eggs over easy. I'm going to add cheese and I'm going to add some green salsa. What we're going to do is put our flame on. I like to do it on medium-low. Pretty flamey, right? Oh, watch that. One, two, three. My secret ingredient, Trader Joe's rainbow peppercorns. It's got pink peppercorn, white peppercorn, black peppercorn, green peppercorn. So many different peppercorns. I like pepper. Right, it's time to plate it. You grab your fried eggs. I'm just gonna drop them over on the other side. Ready? Ha! Don't forget to turn off the burners on your stove. Now I'm just going to add a little cheese. So you could add whatever you wanted to. You could put on crema, you could put on guac if you got it. Then a little salsa. Guess you have to look at that, huh? So there you go. That's my Huevos Rancheros recipe. If you really want to take it to the next level, use a little. Don't forget to do the dishes. And don't forget to put everything back in the refrigerator.